So friend, Apple's next generation iPhone 18 series is expected to feature a significant front camera upgrade according to a new equity research note from JP Morgan. The report suggests that all flagship models in the lineup will include a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, up from 18 megapixels on the current iPhone 17 series, and the jump could represent a notable improvement for Apple's selfie camera technology, promising sharper images, enhanced low-light performance, and more detailed portrait shots. If accurate, the upgrade will likely apply across the iPhone 18, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, iPhone Air 2, and Apple's first ever foldable iPhone. And the current iPhone 17 range introduced Apple's center stage from camera, featuring the company's first square-shaped sensor. This design delivers a wider field of view, enabling users to capture more detail whether shooting in portrait or landscape mode. While early rumors had suggested a 24-megapixel sensor for the iPhone 17 lineup, the feature ultimately did not materialize. Still, the 18-megapixel upgrade on the 17 series was a meaningful step forward. If Apple adopts a 24-megapixel sensor next year, it would mark one of the biggest jumps in the selfie camera resolution in recent iPhone history. And perhaps more intriguingly, JP Morgan's report claims that Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone will likely be equipped with an industry-first 24-megapixel under-display camera built into the device inner screen. This may allow for a seamless display without a camera cutout, a design milestone for Apple. In contrast, Apple's lower-cost models are expected not to receive the same camera improvements. The second-generation iPhone 17e and the third-generation iPhone 18e are both anticipated to continue using a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The report also outlines a potential shift in Apple's release cycle. Starting in 2026, the companies may split its iPhone launches between autumn and spring. The higher-end iPhone 18 Pro models, iPhone Air 2, and foldable iPhone are tipped to arrive in the later half of 2026, while the standard iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e could be delayed until the spring 2027. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.